Welcome to the 3D Printerverse channel. Yesterday, I purchased a new FEP film and replaced my old and broken one with this. And yes, just one day later, I got my free FEP film pack that Elegoo gives for free to all Mars and Mars Pro customers. Check my video on the top right corner, how to get your free FEP films. Let's check what's inside the package. On the front side are some pieces of information about the size, and that is made for the Elegoo Mars. On the back side is a quick tutorial in 4 steps on how to replace the film on the printer's vat. For a better tutorial, check to top right corner for the video. Cool, there are 2 films inside. Thank you Elegoo for the great community support and the free films for giving us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video if you like it.